loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alana. If you are new, welcome. Today's video is going to be all about my July favorites and things that I've been loving for the month of July. And all the items that I have chosen are like completely all over the place. They're not like just makeup or not just hair care products. It's kind of just a bunch of things that I have over the month of July and a little bit earlier, even some of them that I've completely forgot to even mention. Just items that I've really loved and that I want to share with you guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the first product that I have been loving is a skincare product. If you know me, you know that I love skincare. Skincare is my number one. I actually studied it in school, so skincare always comes first for me. And in order to have great makeup, you must have great skin. So if that makes any sense, so you got to take care of the foundation, and your skin is the foundation basically to your foundation. But anyway, so the first item is actually this tea tree oil from Trader Joe's. It comes with 2 bars, but I'm already using the 1 bar. It's just a bar of tea tree oil soap. This stuff is amazing for my blackheads. That's like pretty much my big issue with my skin, is I have fairly large pores and oily skin, and this has completely diminished it. And what else is really amazing about it is the price. If you guys know anything about Trader Joe's, or you got a Trader Joe's near you, you know that Trader Joe's, for organics and healthy foods and stuff, they are on the lower scale in regards to the amount. So I think I picked those up for like $6 for 2 bars, which is like unheard of. And it's been lasting me for, I think I've had it for, I want to say 3 or 4 months, and I haven't even started this bar yet. So I mean, that shows you how long it lasts. Mind you, I haven't been using it for anything else other than my face. I'm sure you could use it obviously as a soap for your body or whatnot. I don't like to use bar soap for my body, so that's why I haven't used it. Otherwise I would, because it does, one, smell amazing, and it really does leave your skin feeling so clean. Like after I use that, my skin feels so clean. Like what I like to do is I just take the bar, rub it on my face, the soap on my face, and then I pick up my Luna Mini, go at it, wash my face, boom, done, and my skin feels phenomenal. Like it just feels so smooth and just clean. Like it just, like, not that squeaky clean where you're like, ooh, this took all my oils. Like, so you want some of your oil, you know what I mean? But this just, it leaves your skin feeling so friggin' clean. And it's been working for me, especially for my oily T-zone. It's been really diminishing my pores and making them a lot smaller. However, the next thing on my list is actually a skincare item as well. And I think that might be another reason why I'm seeing my pores smaller, which is the Dr. Dennis Gross. This is the Alpha Beta Peeling Extra Exfoliant or Extra Strength Daily Peel. So these are just basically, sorry, the box got wet. My sister, when she washes her face in my bathroom, I don't know, like she literally, like I don't know how she does it. I mean, I make a mess with the water and it gets like kind of, crazy, but it's like a freaking tsunami went off in there. Sometimes I be thinking like my pipe broke, but anyways, so these little pads come like this. They're a 2-step peeling exfoliant pad. So you've got your step 1 and step 2. So basically what I like to do with this is I either do it at night or in the morning. Depends on what I'm using as my night cream that night, if that makes any sense. Because right now I am testing out, is it Riley something, the sleep oil. So I don't want to use the 2 of them together, or if I'm using anything else that's really harsh peel as well that night, like a mask, I won't use this. But the way it works basically is you've got your step 1, which is your exfoliant. So you just rub this all over your face, do on your neck. I do my décolletage, I do the top of my hands as well. But yeah, you rub this all over your face, blah, 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 you're done. Then dispose of the towelette. And then what I like, you're supposed to wait 2 minutes in between. So what I like to do is I will brush my teeth in that time. so that I know, because my toothbrush is timed, that I've been brushing my teeth for 2 minutes, so that means that's been there for 2 minutes. And then the next step is step 2, and that is a soothe, and it just soothes your skin, gives your, like, balances back, brings back the balance in your pH on your face. These, oh my god. Like, I have heard so many things about these, and I've always been like, whatever, I won't try it. And especially because of the price tag, honey, these are not cheap for a skincare product. That box, how many towels come in here? 30 treatments. Okay, 30 treatments. 30 treatments? Jesus, the box is so wet. 30 plus 5 bonus, so 35 treatments, okay? 35 freaking treatments for $110. I was like, whew, I don't know if I want to buy this. But, however, Sephora has an amazing return policy. The box just broke in half. And everything fell. Anyways, Sephora has an awesome return policy. So I was like, I'm not too worried if I don't like these. I know that they'll take them back and refund me. So I wasn't too worried, but I still was like, ooh, what if I love it? And then I've already spent this money and I'm stuck with it, and then I'm going to end up having to buy it all the time. And that's what's happened. Like, I love it. I really, truly love that product. Like, this stuff is amazing. It literally, like, I have seen such a difference in my skin since using it, pairing it with that tea tree oil soap. My pores are like starting to get way smaller. I feel like I've done almost like I've done a fractional to my face. And for me, I've always wanted to do a fractional. However, unfortunately, from what I've been told and learned at school, is that because of my skin tone, I actually can't do a fractional. At least here in Canada, we don't have the machines that will work on my skin without, I guess, damaging it and giving me scars, which is so inclusive of these companies. But anyways, that's a whole other rant. But these have made me feel like I've gotten a fractional. I literally feel like I have new skin on my face. Like, I don't even know, I didn't even know that was possible. My skin feels so smooth. It's been so clear. I have been, basically, I haven't had any, have I had any breakouts? I think I've had one breakout since I started using those pads. They are honestly like a godsend. You have to get them. Like, if you are suffering from basically any skin condition, or you just want to, you want a new face, you want new skin on your face, these are amazing. And it's great. I bought the extra strength. I originally actually started with the gentle because I was like, ooh, I don't know how crazy these are gonna be. And the girl in Sephora was like, yeah, try the gentle, blah blah blah, do them, like, don't do the extra strength. The gentle on me wasn't doing nada, so I exchanged for the extra strength, and I have never looked back. I love it now. So moving along, item number 3, you guys have probably seen me post this on Instagram. A lot of my friends and family actually went out and bought this after they saw me post it, asked me what the hell it was. And to be honest, I can't give you as much information as I should probably be able to. However, I just know that I love it, and it's this guy right here. This is a dry brush. If you've never seen one, these things are amazing. I use this in the morning when I get in the shower to exfoliate before I get into the shower. It also helps with like cellulite and to help the blood circulate in your body. These are amazing, and it leaves your skin feeling so smooth. It literally takes off all the dead skin cells. All you do is, like, you work in an upward motion just like this, and you just, you know, swipe up, swipe up, swipe up, all the way up. You start from the bottom. You start from the bottom of your body. So your legs, work your way up your body. Oh, don't do your chest, because your chest has really sensitive skin here. So don't do here. Don't do your face either. All the way up. I don't do my neck or my chest, so just do like about here, up here on my shoulders and stuff. This, amazing. But do it in the shower, because, honey, if you got a lot of dry skin, you're going to see that shit flake off. And you don't want that on your floor. And nobody wants to see that. And nobody wants to step in it in your house. Okay? So do it before you go in the shower, before you turn it on. Just and you're done. This, lifesaver. My skin has never been smoother since using this. I love it. And that brings me to my next item. It is from L'Occitane. This is the Supple Skin Oil. If you know, then you know. You know? But if you don't know, this stuff smells like gold. But not really like gold, but like it is gold. This is gold in a bottle for your skin. The way that this stuff leaves your skin smelling and feeling is like no other. I swear to you, this oil just, you squirt it onto your body like so. Give it a nice rub. I love to use it on my legs when I'm wearing dresses and stuff because it just makes your legs look that much sexier. But it's like, oh, it smells so good and it feels so nice. Like I swear by that. It kind of all started on random that I even bought that. A friend of mine, she actually had a sample size from Sephora of the body wash. And I fell in love with the body wash. And I was like, oh my God, I love this. And then I was like, I don't know, like it's kind of pricey. Mind you, that's still pricey too. So I stopped using it. And then one day I went in and I was going to buy the body wash. And the girl there suggested the oil. And I was like, oh, okay, let me try out the oil. Oh my goodness, I have never looked back. It gets so pricey because I think this bottle is like around $50 something. So that's why I use it sparingly, but you don't need a lot because it's an oil. So what I like to do is I mix it with whatever lotion I'm using once I get out of the shower. Right now I have been kind of mixing between either a Nivea or actually some random lotion that my nail lady gave me. But yeah, so you just, I mix it in with my lotion, rub it on, and your skin just feels amazing. It's honestly the greatest thing. For Amelia with her eczema, it works so well. It keeps her skin hydrated. She's not itching. It's superb. All right, so moving along, our next item is something I picked up on completely fluke. Wasn't even looking for it. Went to go do my groceries in Whole Foods, and then I saw this. You guys know how I feel about Dr. Bronner's, okay? I have the big 3-liter tub of the peppermint soap because I use it for my laundry, I use it for my body, I use it for cleaning in the house. Excuse me. I use it for dishes from time to time. I use it for hand soap. We use it in here, honey, okay? Like that all-in-one soap. Oh, I also use it for my face too sometimes. That soap is amazing. So when I seen this, I was like, ooh, I have never seen a spray hand sanitizer. Normally, you see like the alcohol stuff and all that jazz. And I was like, yo, this is a spray? This is amazing. The lady in the line was like, you gotta get this. She's like, you'll love it. So I was like, all right, let me pick up the lavender scent. So I picked up the lavender. Let me tell you, it is a stronger lavender scent. So if you are sensitive to smells or anything, you might, this might not be for you. However, it is perfect for a mom. Like perfect. Literally, I'm like, I have it in my purse and I just like spray Amelia's hands like every time she touches anything. Cause I'm like, yuck, ew. Like you're at the park, you came like spray like everything just because there's so many germs out there and I want to keep her hands clean as possible. And like Amelia picks her nose and stuff and then like she'll touch something at the park and want to put her hand, like no, this, amazing. So moving along, my second last item is one of my personal favorites and I'm actually running low. So that means I'm going to have to hop in my little car and drive on over to Buffalo to pick it up because we don't sell it here in Canada. Ladies, you need to change that. Okay. But anyways, is this a protein powder from Tone It Up. This is in the coffee flavor. Oh my goodness. I was in Target when I went over one of my weekends because I tend to go over, do my shopping, and I saw this and I was like, oh, Tone It Up. I'm like, this is the detox I've done. I'm like, oh, they sell this in Target. Cool. I'm gonna try it. I'm like, ooh, and it's cafe latte. I love coffee. This tastes literally exactly like an iced coffee. All I do is put the powder in my shaker, add ice and water, shake that up, boom. protein shake that tastes like an iced coffee. See a Starbucks. I don't be wasting my money over there anymore because I use this. And then sometimes I like really extra, and if I actually do need coffee because this doesn't have caffeine in it, what I will do is I'll make an espresso, put in some cold water and some ice cubes, and still put in a scoop, shake it on up, boom, good to go, breakfast. And it's perfect because I'm getting my breakfast and my coffee all in one. And then I'm not drinking an actual full glass of coffee, I'm only drinking an espresso. And when I make my espresso on my machine, I do a light taste, so it's not like super, super strong, which is perfect. So this is amazing if you are a coffee drinker and you're trying to kind of get off coffee, or you just like the taste of coffee and you hate protein powders, because I know some protein powders taste disgusting. This is the one. And obviously, of course, it is vegan. All right, and our last item today, I left this for last because I'm gonna eat it right now. It's food. It is these Made Good granola bars. I love these bars. We always buy these. Normally I get the chocolate chip ones because those are the ones Amelia likes. And I like those too. They're good. I don't love them. They're not something I eat regularly. They're more for Amelia rather than me. However, these ones, sweet and salty, honey, they are freaking amazing. I love, okay, scratch. I love popcorn and I love caramel popcorn. However, caramel popcorn, not really that good for you. So this sweet and salty bar is the perfect fix for me because it reminds me of like a Chicago mix. I don't know why, it just does. I guess because it's sweet and salty. I don't know. Yeah, sweet and salty like a Chicago mix. Anyways, it's so friggin' good, guys. And you can buy these at Costco. I think the big, huge box is like 10 bucks. So it's like perfect. I buy one box for me of these, then I buy the other box of the chocolate chip for Amelia. And then these are perfect little snacks. Like you can just throw them in your bag if you're on the go and you need to have a healthy snack. This is perfect because it is a full serving of veggies. They are vegan, they are nut-free, they are obviously dairy-free. Like they are the perfect little snack if you're trying to, kind of get in your healthy groove and still have something that tastes good. These are phenomenal. Like I'm holding it here right now and I'm like, screw y'all. I'm eating it. Like I don't even care. I have to eat it. I have to eat it right now. Like, I can't hold it in my hand and not eat it. It's so good. 1 second. I'm gonna chew. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Let me know if you guys buy any of the items that I have mentioned, or if you have them at home. Let me know. So yeah, once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.